In this tutorial, we'll be reviewing the basic functionality of the area sheet in CostLab. You can always navigate to the area sheet in CostLab by going to the left-hand side of your page and clicking on Area. From here, you'll notice that there is our area sheet right here and a number of tabs to the right, like Active Floor, Facade, Structure, and Vertical Transportation. For basic usage, the places where you want to pay attention are all of these options within the area sheet for below grade, above grade features, where you can start to define the different aspects of your building, whether it has below grade floors or above grade floors, or features like soffits or other structures. The other place to pay attention for basic functionality is in facade. Every floor that you take off will have a perimeter and a floor-to-floor, which will give us our gross facade and help us when we're calculating different aspects of the building later on. The next step is to go to our takeoff. I'm using on-screen takeoff, so we'll go there and we'll collect the gross area of the floors that apply to our given use group. Because this project is only a dormitory and not a dormitory with above grade parking or a dormitory with below grade parking or a dormitory with classrooms or office space below it, we only need to focus on collecting the gross area for a single use group, which is that residential hall and dormitory use group. For the sake of time, I have already done the takeoff and collected the area and perimeter for the dormitory use group. So as you can see, this is our ground floor. We have a gross area of 15,500 square feet, approximately, and a total linear footage of perimeter of 841 lineal feet. We're going to want to do this for every floor in our project where this use group applies, and take these numbers and plug them into CostLab. So that's what we'll do right now. Like we just mentioned, 15,500 square feet is approximately the area of our ground floor. 841 is the approximate lineal footage of facade. And we're going to assume that there is a floor-to-floor of 10 feet in this building. A useful tip for CostLab in general is there is a feature where if you are selected on a box, there is a square that appears in the corner of the box. You can see it, it's that white one that keeps showing up. If I want to copy this floor to floor, let's say I know that every single floor in this project is 10 feet floor to floor. I can grab the corner of that box and drag it down. And this will copy whatever was in this field to wherever I dragged it. So let's go back to our takeoff. Now that we've done our ground floor, we'll want to collect the area of the second floor, which we will see is actually larger than our ground floor. So we'll want to plug in these numbers for our area and our lineal footage. We've got about 16,700. $16,700, 798 lineal feet of perimeter. Go to the next page. We'll see that it's the same, so we'll ignore that for now. Go to the next page. We'll see that that's 15,850. And the perimeter was 798, so that's the same. I'll drag the perimeter down. In addition to dragging down, you can also copy and paste by hitting Control-C and Control-V as if you were in Excel. And then we will go to our top floor. And we'll see that it's 15,225 and 774. 15,225, 774. And now we've filled in our area sheet. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you'd like to learn more about how to use features, or multiple use groups, or any of the other more advanced ways of using the area sheet, there will be a separate video that you can follow.